Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So, in previous classes, we have gone through the Kirchhoff's rule set. And any one of you, please tell junction rule.
The total amount of current incoming at a junction is equal to the total amount of current outgoing.
Yes, total amount of current entering to the junction is equal to total amount of the current leaving the junction. Today we are going to apply, this is Wheatstone quiz, specifically given by Wheatstone. Wheatstone connected 4 resistances in a 4 branches of quadrilateral. Value of resistances are P, Q, R, S. Then connected source power supply across AC. This is cell and P. And connected galvanometer between B and D to read the current. To check the current presence of, not read, to check the presence of current in DD. According to Wheatstone, if there is no current in BD branch, this circuit is said to be balanced. If circuit is balanced, according to Wheatstone, if no current flow in branch BD, then ratio of the resistance in adjacent sides is that is P over Q equal to R over. Alternately, we can say if you adjust the PQRS in such a way that no current flow, it means circuit is balanced. That is P over Q equal to R over. We can conclude like this. This is Wheatstone principle. Now we will prove it mathematically. We will use both junction rule and loop rule given by Kirchhoff. Loop rule says sum of the product of the current and corresponding resistances is equal to algebraic sum of the EMF present in the closed loop. This is loop rule. We will apply it both the laws. So let us apply first law at this junction A. I current is entering and distributing both the branches AB and AD. I1 pass through AB and I2 current pass through AD. So according to Kirchhoff first law, what will be I? I1 plus I2. I1 plus, this is equation number. Now select this loop. A, B, D, A. This loop. If we take product of I and corresponding resistance in the direction of current positive, we take this sign convention. That product of I and R is positive if it is in the direction of current. If we are tracing the circuit in the direction of current, then product of current and corresponding resistance will be positive. If we choose this sign convention. So we take this closed loop. A, B, D. A, B, D. In AB branch, I1 into P. In BD branch, IG into G. And in DA branch, we trace the circuit opposite to the current. Minus I2 into R. Minus I2 into R. If we apply this condition, no current in the branch BD, IJ will be 0. Result will be I1P minus I2R equal to further I1P is equal to I2R. Let us make its equation number. We have applied the balance condition. Now take another look. BCDB. BCDB. Now any one of you please apply for BC branch. Yes. Now here current is I1 minus IG. Because this I1 reaches at this junction B and IG current passes through this branch BD. So remaining current I1 minus IG will pass through this. So we have taken I1 minus I. Yes. Apply I into R product. Ashish.
I1 minus IG into Q.
I1 minus IG into Q.
Minus
For CD minus minus I2 plus IG S minus I3 into G and right side 0 because there is no EMF source of EMF in the setup. Very good. Now apply this condition. Ij 0, that is Ij 0, I1 into Q minus I2 into Ij 0, I2 into S minus 0 is equal to 0. Solving further we get I1 Q is equal to I2 S. Make this equation number 3. Now any doubt? You can ask question. You are free to ask a question. If you have any doubt, clear it immediately. There is a quiz after completing the topic. So now divide equation 2 by equation 3. So write it here by dividing equation 2 by equation 3. Divided I1P divided by I1Q, I2R divided by I2S cancel, P over Q is equal to R. We have proved that this is only true when IT is 0. Otherwise, you divide this by this, you will not get the result. Because P over Q is equal to R over S is true only in case of balance. There is a question for you. If we connect source across BD and galvanometer across AC, will it be applicable? Wheatstone bridge. If P over Q is equal to R over S, if we alternate the change, so what will be the expression in that condition? P by no. If P by R. Now adjacent side will change. This side will be adjacent to this side. Here, if Ij is 0, this side is adjacent to this and this adjacent to this. But when you change the connection, replace the connection, equation also replaces, that is P over R is equal to Q over X. Q over. You can get this equation directly from here. See, P over R is equal to Q by X. So if you write P over R by Q equal to Q over S, it means your battery is connected between B and B and galvanometer is connected between A and B for this equation. And for this equation, source of EMF connected between A and C and galvanometer connected So interchanging both will not change the result. If bridge is already balanced. Let us take an example. Numerical example. If I say resistance P is 4 ohm, resistance Q is 8 ohm, and resistance R is 3 ohm, can you tell the value of S? S is unknown. Anyone? 6. How? You have applied. So, I have connected 4 resistances. Out of 4, I know the value of 3. And 4th is unknown for me. But by applying this concept, I can know the value of unknown resistance. So, first use of Wheatstone bridge is to find the by achieving the balance condition. By achieving the balance condition. Got the idea? How can we calculate unknown resistance? So Wheatstone bridge is very useful for calculating unknown resistance. So this is the theory and principle. Let us move to practical side. Can we design some apparatus to calculate? So today we will understand meter bridge. We will study practical side of the Wheatstone bridge. Application of Wheatstone bridge in form of meter. You see, this is the meter bridge. Wooden board, and on wooden board one wire is attached of 1 meter length, and scale is also there. This scale is both the sides, 0 to 100, and from there 100 to 0. You see strips are there, screws, gaps, one gap, second gap, and one connection in between at the center. This is 1 meter wire. Normally this wire is made up of manganese. This is meter bridge. You see, I have drawn a sketch on board. This is 1 meter wire, the scale is attached. If I use wire for creating P and Q resistance, wire is 100 centimeter long. Wire has resistance. So one part of the wire can be taken as P, and second segment of the wire can be taken as Q. So if I write A here, A, here B, here C, this AC is one wire. See, A to C, A to C. There is wire from A to C. If anyhow I divide this wire into two parts, disconnected from each other, so one part can work as P, another part can work as Q. Take another side. Between A and C, I have to apply the voltage. Between these two extreme ends, I will apply voltage through battery and key. This is key, this is battery. This is battery, this is key, and wires are there. Only I have to connect these two ends, three ends, here and here. So another side of circuit is also possible. Another side of circuit is possible. I connect source of EMF and T between A and C. I have connected source between A and C. Now, practically, I have designed meter base. I am explaining the designing of meter base. How the meter base is based on the Wheatstone bridge. So I have made it possible. This apparatus has made it possible to create AC branch, to create this supply. Now AD is there. Which part will become A? Between A and B, this will be A and B. Sorry, this will be D. Okay. This central point, this point of the wire will be AB. So now AB is acting like P and BC is acting like Q. AD will be between A and D. Between A and D, I have to apply some resistance, known resistance. Okay. P is known, Q is known, R is known. So in this gap, I have to apply some known resistance. I apply known resistance in this gap through this apparatus. This is called resistance box. There are many choices, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Later I will explain how we can use it. This resistance box is used to apply desired resistance, known resistance. So in one gap I will connect this resistance box. Now can you tell me which resistance you will connect here in another gap? Between C and D, S, which is unknown. So suppose you are given this wire, resistance of wire is unknown. So you have to connect unknown resistance in another gap. Or you may be given this type of unknown resistance. You have to connect it between second gap. So here I connect unknown resistance S. This S is unknown. In some books, S is written as X also. So now see, whole Wheatstone bridge is now practically there in meter bridge. Between A and D, R. Between D and C, or C and D, S. Between A and B, P. Between B and C, Q. But still this B is not separated. Point B is not separating P and Q. And this part is again left to create, to develop. So what will be the next connection? I take a wire from B. This is my apparatus galvanometer. One end of galvanometer I connect here at B. One end of this galvanometer is connected to the another end. This another end of the galvanometer which is free. Now one end is connected here, this is free. Here we will connect job. And this end is open. Depend upon us where to place it. This is changing. Its position will be changing. So I connect to the jockey. And I am free to place this jockey anywhere on the wire. This 1 meter wire. If I place J here, P will become less, Q will become high. I can change this ratio, P over Q, by placing J at different places. This ratio I can adjust because I need to adjust to this ratio is fixed. You know this R and S is fixed. You can't change it. Suppose you have fixed R 2 ohm and suppose S is 4 ohm. So this ratio is fixed. and you have to create same ratio P over Q on this wire. If you are able to create same ratio between A and C, that is placing a jockey at different places, as and when you get this ratio P over Q become 1 exactly 1 by 2, what will happen? There will be no deflection in the galvanometer. So deflection of galvanometer when becomes 0, what does it mean? P over Q has now become equal to R over S. We will read the length from the scale, AB and BC length. From length we will calculate the distances P and Q and apply the Wheatstone bridge to solve the question, to find the unknown distance. Let us understand the mathematical part. Suppose resistance per unit length of the wire is rho. Length of AB part is suppose L. What will be the resistance of AB part? That is P. P will be rho into L. Now, what will be the length of BC? Wire is 100 centimeter. That is 100 minus L. Resistance related with BC is Q. Resistance of BC will be Q. Q will be rho into 100 minus. Apply the Wheatstone principle. P over Q is equal to R over S. P is rho into L. Q is rho into 100 minus L is equal to R by S. Rho gets cancelled. S is equal to R 100 minus L divided by L. We know R and L from practical experiment. While performing, we have noted this R from this resistance box and L from the scale. Put the values, you will get the unknown resistance. So this is practically we can apply the Wheatstone bridge to meter bridge. We call it meter bridge because length of wire is 1 meter. Two main precautions we have to take. We should not slide this jockey over this wire because it will change the cross-sectional area of the wire and resistance will change. Resistance of the wire will change because resistance depends upon the cross-sectional area. And we should not pass current for larger time because during large time heat is produced in the wire, temperature rises and temperature affects the resistance, and all connections should be tight. In next class we will perform the experiment if theory is clear to you. Any doubt? So today we have gone through the topic principle of Wheatstone bridge, derivation of principle using Kirchhoff's laws, and how the Wheatstone bridge can be practically applied to meter bridge. Different parts of the meter bridge, how they are connected with the Wheatstone bridge. There is analogy between meter bridge and Wheatstone bridge. We have gone through and we have derived the formula for calculating unknown resistance. Now time for quiz. Ready? Wheatstone bridge is based on which laws? Good. When no current flow in one one bridge. And what is the ratio of resistance of the adjacent side? What is ratio of the resistance? R upon S is equal to P by K. What is the application of Wheatstone bridge? Any one application? Yes, Rehan? Yes, Rehan? Meter bridge. Meter bridge is the application of Wheatstone bridge. What is the use of this concept of Wheatstone bridge? Good. And meter bridge is based on Wheatstone bridge. Is it true?
Yes.
Why we call it meter bridge?